Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. I'm just going to drag a clip into my timeline right here, and I want to add a speed ramp. So if you don't know what speed ramping is, basically it's just a way to change the speed of the clip in a smooth way. So this is how people get to achieve the smooth transitions, like going from slow to fast, but gradually and instead of in like full steps. So I'll show you what I mean by that in just a second. So I'm going to open up the read time controls by pressing Control R on my keyboard. And then let's say I want to add a speed point right here, right? Then I'll add another speed point right here. And then I'll speed this middle section up. So if you watch the clip forward, this is what it looks like. You can see it goes from like 0 to 100 instantaneously. There is no gradual change in speed. And speed ramping is making that stuff smooth. So, get started. Once you have your speed points in place, you're going to want to open up your keyframes. So, just click on the button at the top here that says keyframes. Go ahead and click that. It should open up this window. If you'd like, you can also expand this by clicking on the icon at the top right, and that just gives you a better view. So you're gonna want to make sure that you have your curves visible because there are two options here. You have keyframe lanes and keyframe curves. You're gonna want to make sure you're on curves, and then you're gonna want to make sure that the read time speed is visible. And I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the others off so we only see the speed. So once that's on, go ahead and open your curves, select all your keyframes. I'm just going to press Control A on my keyboard. And now I'm going to press this button right here, which is to ease in and out. Select all, ease in, and ease out. Or actually, I'm just going to select the middle keyframes right here, the two keyframes. And these are what I'm going to ease in and ease out. So now if we expand this, you can see there are handles that got attached. We can change this to change the way our curve behaves. So we can make it more sharp by just dragging it to the left. And this is what we had earlier when the change went from 0 to 100 instantaneously. Let's try to move that a little bit so it's a bit more gradual. So that looks pretty good. This as well. Let's move that. And now we have a more natural looking curve. So if we go back and watch the clip, this is what it looks like now with our speed ramp in effect. So as you can see, it's a lot smoother. Like you could notice there's not much jitter when it comes to the change in speed. So that's pretty much how to speed ramp. There are also plenty of other ways you can ramp. You can ramp to slow down, you can ramp to slow to speed up, then slow down, etc. etc. So you can try experimenting with what kinds of combinations of speed ramps you can do and find something that works best for your video. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.